Hey folks, it's Adrian here from Cademy, and I'd like to show you what we've been building over the last couple of weeks. Now, we've made over 3 dozen changes throughout the product over the last 2 weeks, including a new settings section where you can manage your password, invite new users, and do a few other things. We've made some improvements across the app, specifically the Educators admin section, to make sure that the app is nice and responsive, so you can use it, the app on the go to manage bookings or create listings or edit your listings. And all these are nice, but what I want to focus on in this update specifically is our biggest change, which is repeating classes. So when I create a class now, let's see, repeat class. In the past, you'd have to pick a specific date and time. Now you can actually pick more than one, just like so. And let's say I'm doing a few different classes over the weekends. I can just list them here like this. Let me just complete the rest and publish. By the way, this is another new change. We can do rich text within the descriptions. And something else that's new is the ability to set whether the class is online or in person. And if it's online, it's going to hide the location since that's not relevant. Now I'm just going to create the course so we can view it. I'm just going to publish it as well. So now when I look at this course on the website, we'll see a few extra labels here to highlight the important information about the class, but we also see the calendar picker, the new calendar picker, to allow the student to pick which date they want to attend. They can book this just as normally, and then all the bookings will show and this kind of UI on the back end. So let's look at one of these other classes. This just has a single occurrence, and this one has multiple ones, and you can see all the occurrences are showing here, and I can easily filter. Now, this is pretty much it, and we're pretty excited about what's coming up next. We've got a lot more work to do, but we're close to actually launching to our customers. So stay tuned for more.